Hey folks, James Hilliard here with Connection. We're at our Go Beyond Summit in Boston. I've got Bert Kersey on board here, and he is with Lenovo. We're talking to a lot of our sponsor vendors about kind of what's been going on this year, what the investments that you're looking at as an organization are going to look like in 2020. So let's recap 2019. Where has Lenovo put a lot of their effort?
Yeah, sure, James. You saw major product innovations in the Nano, right, which we've talked about, in the ThinkBook, and really targeting and creating new verticals of the market. What you're going to see next year, right, is more of the same, but really driven technology and innovations in the sake of customer experience.
Gotcha.
Right, where we're investing in machine learning, artificial intelligence, the smart infrastructures, IoT, Internet of Things, and really just out branching and finding new solutions.
It is the whole goal to still continue on the mission of mobility, productivity. You got to secure all that as well. That's what all those investments are focused on.
Absolutely.
Bert, when you're hearing from customers, are they still saying things like, we want smaller, we want faster? Are they looking for maybe we want some bigger form factor? What is the desire that you're hearing from customers?
Sure. Lots of times we'll get a unique ask, right? But really what we're hearing the most of is absolutely smaller, absolutely lighter, but also do more with less.
Yeah.
Right? In the virtualization, we want to be able to work more and have workstation type hardware and horsepower and something that has no business being in that size. Right. So we're making those innovations, we're pushing the limit, and where our investments are going to come, it's going to make 2020 pretty exciting.
All right, and there was a lot that came out from Lenovo in 2019, so if you want to learn about that, what is to come, then make sure if you're a Connection customer to reach out to your account manager, your BDMs. If you're not a customer yet, you should be. You can reach out to Connection, go to connection.com, you can learn more information about Lenovo, and then you can talk to someone to get Lenovo folks to talk with you as well. Bert, appreciate the time.
Thanks, James.